ready to die? Why not? No, you both are going to die together.
Yeah.
I'm ready to die.
We're born to die.
Yeah, you're born to die. So you got to get ready.
Get ready.
In the meantime, guys, please secure your stuff, make sure nothing falls. Enjoy your ride if you make it. Nice noonie. Let's go to short.
Forever the optimist.
Thanks, victims. That's you, sir. You signed the waiver, not me. Where you from? You ever been to Split Splash?
Yes.
Yeah, I go to Split Splash once. I go in the gun. You know the gun?
Shotgun Falls.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Bienvenidos a Shotgun Falls.
Crazy.
This attraction has 10-foot deep water and is for strong swimmers only.
My one.
Oh, that's my delivery.
Good old weed.
Oh yeah, doing good.
Yeah, that's where you put it.
Oh, a squirrel thing. You see that thing?
Yeah.
That little. It's like a scrawny, ugly
Should make
ass.
I keep going to feel for my ring and it's not there, and I'm like, ah. Baby.
Show me your naked ring.
Ah.
Your ring den.
Yeah, I do have a permanent dent. This is cool.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god. Oh, my feet are just
My feet hit that branch too.
I left a little dose of my DNA in Jamaica. A little bit of my foot.
I'm getting,
How do you feel?
good. This is the money shot.
Wow.
One love.
That's our shit, right?
That is our shit.
The water looks so much more blue.
Oh, it stopped for us to get like a good shot right here.
And it is beautiful out.
Yeah, we got a gorgeous one.
Get behind us.
Ooh, it's stalled at the high spot. My
Yay.
favorite. I love going over terrifying wheels. Oh, look at that. You can
Trees
see.
here are so beautiful. So creepy.
It's getting buggy up here. This is like the higher part of the canopy though. There should be some not low-hanging fruit.
That's something. There's fruit growing on it.
Yep. I saw one fall off. There's so many butterflies. There's that cool tree with the big leaves. Looks like it's floating.
Caw-caw!
No. You might be teaching them how to cruise. I don't think it's the babies. I think they're all just playing above the jungle today. It's like a falcon. It looks like oh.
got it. I think you're gonna help us.
This is the spot on top of a mountain. Wow. It smells like bud over here.
You're recording. Oh, you are. What memory is that?
32.
About
4 hours and
4
19
hours, right?
minutes. It's 1080 at 30.
Good time. Fully charged?
Yes, sir.
You are prepared. There you go. Go get him.
Alright, I'm out.
Mandy.
Oh, good stuff. It smells funny.
Yep.
I like the smell of brakes in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good day. Oh yeah, maybe I should film her. Thank you.
I was like, is this thing gonna
Stand up.
I was coming to bed. That was fun.
Watch out. Hold the handrail. I like that we're last and we get to hang out with the crazy tour guides.
You guys good?
Yeah. VIP is coming through.
Audio Jungle.
Bend the knees, right?
Audio Jungle.
I'm still here.
Oh, is that good or bad?
I started from the top, now I'm here.
Oh dear God. Yeah! We're gonna do this whole tour and we're quoting Drake. It's gonna stop, okay?
Yep.
That's the
I'm
line.
gonna get kicked off.
No, we don't get the quote. Come right here, man. Oh my God! Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I hope so.
Oh, we're all
Get on your toes.
feathered.
Get on your toes. Step off the box. Mother! Oh my God! Are you good? Cross the line.
I'm good.
Cross the line. Almost gonna stop this.
It's like a horror movie.
But
Did
you're
you
laughing,
peek him?
so-
Yeah. I mean, what's the worst thing?
Now we all go together in like one big chunk?
No.
You don't watch horror movies.
Yeah.
Grab one of these off the railing, okay? That's what they said. No.
Oh, that's why we're all clipped in, because we're like 100 feet off the ground.
Not really.
Feels like we're moving, but this tree right here.
No,
is
that's
moving.
not Alright. Yeah, bud. Oh, you are. Hey. Hey. Come back, buddy. Oh, perfectly timed.
Yes, wonderful.
That's all it is.
Yes.
Alright, bro, I got you, right? Alright, shoulders right around.
Yep. Good. Attention. Ooh, it's wobbly.
Is that you shaking?
Nah, yeah. No, it's the bench. That was awesome.
Yo.
I gotta see how he comes through. Whatever he does, I'm doing next. One cable, one unclipped carabiner. Check.
Alright guys, this line is going to take you over the bobsled track, okay? Now while you're going across, your photograph will be snapped.
Ah.
Bobsled.
Okay, so you can all smile, the camera's on the right side, okay?
Okay.
Keep it clean while coming
Yeah. I gotta think of another funny Drake one-liner. You used to. I'm still on the tree. I didn't even realize I was on the tree. That's it.
Oh, you don't want to brag. You should. You got it. Try to have fun. There you go, bud. Right here. Come here now. Alright, when you guys see Garrett, what are you going to say? Aqua. Basically, oh my god! Alright. You're going to say walk one. Yeah, man. Run away! My God! There you go.
Oh, hell yeah, it is a rope bridge.
Take your time, buddy. There you go. Hey, wait. There you go. Come on up here.
Around. Steer the ship. Sorry. Couldn't control myself.
Oh, wait, you sit over. See you later. Step right over. You guys good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, grand finale line is really long, okay? While going across, you guys are going to aim to the right. There's a beautiful view. There's the guy with the GoPro. There you go, man. Make sure you look to the right side, okay?
Oh, wow. We're going to get the water. Just like that. Make sure it's on, babe.
Yeah, that's all.
You got it. Yeah.
You used to call me. Oh my
Really?
Sorry, just one more. You used to.
Woo!
Good job, dude.
Step. You like Drake.
I made another Drake joke.
So guys, Wagwan.
Oh, people are taking their crap off.
Well played. You guys had fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, you're safe. You don't have to lie. You're good now. I can't hurt you.
Oh, okay.
You guys had a good time?
Yeah.
Here we go. Now, guys, a bunch of bags. We're gonna tear.
That was a wasp.
No, there's one right in there.
Where?
Right in the bush inside if you look under. He's sitting on a branch inside. You gotta dig down, dude. See him?
No.
He's right straight ahead looking at us with a big blue chest.
I still don't see it.
Oh
Oh,
my God.
right in there. We need to get.
Is that alive?
Yes.
Is that... What is that?
It's a gecko.
Oh my God.
It's in a knoll. We can't move.
Turn around.
That one's beautiful.
Hi. Yeah, watch out for the bee right next to you. Oh my God, look, baby, they look.
They hover, they're so cool.
They're so cute. Can I pick that
Alright, that was cool, I got. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. Come on, Kim, it's bobsled time. Infinity pool at the top of a mountain. Wildlife. My cruise ship. Okay. Nope. Gonna save. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's fucking fast as fuck! Don't bite your tongue! That's insane! Ah! Should you slow down or no? Oh my god! Don't hit the brake, don't hit it! Oh my god! my god, I can't believe how fast that is. Alright, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down. That was like 100 times faster than I thought it would be. Oh man, I think your brake pedal's a little sensitive. Babe, give me a look back on your right.
I was like lifting at your feet.
That was ridiculous. Oh, now we just get to do like the... Yeah, that was worth it. And now we just go up this thing. Taylor. Back at the top of the bobsled truck at the infinity pool on the mountain, boy. Get up. Walk by. Walk on. Walk on, walk on. That was awesome. Thank you, thank you. Well, it's starting to rain.
Oh, that's it.
Ah, and it's over.
It rained for 5 seconds.
Don't fight it.
I think it makes it that much more memorable.
Yeah, it'll pour. It's coming.